Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at this potato bag. Look how many potatoes there are. There's 1, 2. I like this one because it's very round. Hold on, we need the cutters for this one. And 3, 4, and 5. 5 potatoes in one bag, and they're super big. And this is the original potato that gave all the potatoes that we have here. Oh wait, 6. Hold on, let's check if there's any more just to make sure. Yep, that's all the potatoes. 6 potatoes, that's so many. So this one is the original, you can tell by its distinct smiley face. Bye people of the internet. God bless.